Hi, and once again, welcome to this course on algorithmic trading. Now let me briefly explain what we will do in this course, and let me give you a short course overview. So there's actually no single definition of algorithmic trading, and different people mean different things, but all use cases and applications have two things in common. So there are two major aspects of algorithmic trading, and first of all, trades follow complex or too fast for the human brain. Next, let's have a look at some selected use cases and applications of algorithmic trading. And originally, algo trading was used for trade execution and transaction cost reduction. So in simple words, let's assume that a bank wants to sell 1 million shares of Apple, then it might not be the best idea to sell all shares at once. So the bank should break down a large order into small orders to be placed over time to optimize the price and the transaction costs. Second, we have portfolio rebalancing, and algorithmic trading can be used to rebalance portfolio constituents to the target weights. Now let's come to number 3 and one of the newer applications, robo-investing or robo-advising. And asset allocation, portfolio optimization, management, and rebalancing is done with minimal human intervention. So this is typically for long-term investments. And finally, to be fair and transparent to everyone, for some sections and lectures, you need a broker account either on Oanda or FXCM to get the full and the best learning experience. So it's the part on day trading and also the part on implementation and automation. However, in some countries, the CFD or Forex trading is prohibited, or the two brokers are not available in those countries. And for example, we have here Japan, Korea, Russia, and Turkey. But I do think that this course provides a lot of value and benefits, even if you don't have a broker account. So, but still, please keep in mind that the two brokers are not available in all countries. Alright, this was a brief overview. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next lectures. Bye.